Heart to Art, a reading and art summer program with Miss Maura, a partnership with the Field Library. I hope you enjoy making this craft today. If you missed the story on Monday, go back, watch that video first, and then come back and make the craft. All right, have fun. Today, we're going to be making painted coffee filter flowers. These are the supplies you will need. You will need coffee filters, so I used 4 coffee filters for each flower. You will need paint. You will need some type of paintbrush or sponge. You will need 1 pipe cleaner per flower. These are the steps to create your flower. First thing you are going to do is you're going to paint your coffee filters. Remember, you will need at least 4 coffee filters for each flower. Okay, so to start your flower, you're going to make a pile of 4 coffee filters. Okay, once we have the pile of 4, we are going to start folding. So you're going to hold it like this, and you're going to flip it over. Then you're going to fold, flip it over, fold, flip it over, fold, flip it over, fold, and then one last one, fold it. Okay, next we're going to be using the pipe cleaner. So once we have the folds and we have the pipe cleaner, we're going to fold it over, twist it, and then make it as tight as possible. And then very carefully, you are going to start separating the pieces of coffee filter from each other. You guys did a great job creating your painted coffee filter flowers. Now you could keep your flower or you could give it to somebody else. This is a way that you can spread kindness and beauty to people around you. Don't forget to come back next week, Monday at 11:30 for another story.